Hello there, amazing person. I really feel like baking a cake today. Also, there's no bread, so we're going with this one. It's vegan cake, and all you have to add is butter and milk. So we're gonna do plant-based butter and soy milk. No, almond milk, because I don't have any soy milk. I'm not gonna do it manually because I have to work. I'm just gonna put all of the ingredients in my bread maker. This is actually pretty good. So I just took a shower and I braided my hair because for the longest time I saw that I have a lot of split ends, and I really thought it was bad, really bad, like long split ends, like something like this in my head. And then my sister, hi Bane, told me to take a chill pill, and I braided my hair. I checked all of the strands to see how long the split ends were, and it turns out I need to cut off up to here, this much, so it's not that bad. And after this I'm going to do my utmost best to keep my hair healthy. No more wash and goes, because that just keeps my head really wet and my hair really weak, which causes it to split and break. So I'm just going to take better care of it, and I'm going to take regular masks. For now, I'm going to cut all of these pieces and get it over with. Where you clearly see that it's not the healthiest. It's really like thin and splitting. After this, it's going to look a lot better. So not here, but really here. I love the feeling of freshly cut hair. It's so, I don't know, thick and healthy. Almost done. Two more to go. So it is done. It already feels a lot better. I'm really glad I did this. It's what I cut off. It's definitely not a big chop. I mean, I could have gone to the hairdresser, but I guess when I want something, I want it right away. and I just had it in my head and I needed to do it. So I did it. I cut it off. It really feels strange. Also, remember that my hair is in braids right now. When your hair is braided, it looks somewhat shorter. So I think nobody's gonna notice except for me and you, because you're watching this. We'll see what it looks like when I take the braids out, but for now I'm not gonna take them out. I'm going to bed, and tomorrow we'll see the results. I'm back. I showered, I washed my hair, my freshly cut hair, and I said I wasn't going to air dry it anymore, but I lied. I'm going to air dry it, but only because I'm going to sit here and work. I'm going to edit the video for maybe 2 hours, which means that I'm not going to move around and my hair is going to just stay in one position. I'm not scared that I'm going to mess it up. So I'm air drying for as long as I'm sitting here. If it's still wet when I'm done editing, I am going to go in with a diffuser and diffuse my hair. I also have coffee, I have my vitamins, I have a smoothie, and the cake that I baked. So I'm gonna just sit here and be very boring. Today, I think around 4 o'clock, I'm going to jail. It sounds horrible, but my sister works in a jail and she has this day bring your family along day. So she's bringing us along and we're going to see everything that she does during the workday. We're not going to watch inmates as if they're monkeys. We're just going to look at her workplace, her office, and stuff like that. I think it's a good idea to do all of the things that I need to do, my obligations. Then I'll have time left to do whatever I want to do before I go meet up with my sister. So that's the plan today. Let's get it going. Hi. Something is really off with my Bluetooth. It won't recognize my keyboard. So I'm not really sure if my keyboard is just empty. It's charging right now. And I have a lot of problems with using the keyboard of my MacBook instead of my external keyboard. I'm just so used to using my external keyboard. I don't know the keys, the combinations that I need to use to do certain things, which it's kind of frustrating. Kind of hoping that the battery will just charge and that it will magically appear on my screen any moment. I'm not gonna frustrate myself. I mean, it is what it is, right? I'm gonna try one more thing. Maybe it's the hub. Maybe it's broken or something. Maybe that's the reason why it's not recognized. So I'm gonna try my spare hub. Found it. This is the spare one. It also has a lot more entries, but I like this one more because it only uses one entrance. And I'm gonna use this one and see if it makes a difference. I still don't see it. Maybe it takes some time. You tell me? Maybe it just needs some time to be recognized. It's working. Little things that make you happy, right? So there's obviously something wrong with this one, which is sad because I like to have a spare of things, but I'm not gonna throw it away just yet. I'm gonna throw it away after I buy a new one. Maybe, you know, sometimes it just needs a little time to, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. Sometimes something looks broken and then the next day it works again. Maybe it just needed some rest. Maybe it's overheated or something. Is that even possible? Aren't you supposed to leave this in? I don't know. Anyway, this one is working. I can go along with my day without any problem. I wasted a good 40 minutes and I was talking with my family the whole time, so I didn't do a lot. I was just adding some stuff in Excel sheet while I was talking on the phone, because you cannot, absolutely not edit while you're talking on the phone, because you need to focus on the sound of everything that you're editing. And since I'm home alone today till 3 o'clock, I can do it without headphones in or anything, no distractions. When the first part of editing is done, with all of the cutting and knowing when sound needs to go where, that's when you can start talking to people again. But until then, you have to be really focused, which means that you're kind of in a zone. And to me, it's very therapeutic, because usually I do a lot of things at the same time. I talk, I write, I film, I just do a lot of things at the same time, and I never really focus on, unless I'm meditating or sleeping. So editing to me is, yeah, it's therapeutic. I love it. But it's also something that I really need to set time apart for, because you can't do different things at the same time. So I'm clearing my schedule when I'm editing, and I'm just editing, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm done editing. It's a short vlog. Sorry, it's 10 minutes and it took me 2.5 hours because I was just all over the place with my voiceover skills. I knew I wanted to do a voiceover, but I thought I could do it in Final Cut Pro, but I just could not get it to work like that. So I had to record, upload, and add. I'm still going to try and figure out the voiceover thing. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos on people doing it and then try to do it myself, because I googled it and for some reason it works a lot better when you see people do it, when they show their skills. That's what YouTube is for, right? So that's something I need to learn this week, voiceover skills out of Final Cut Pro, and then I'm going to use it a lot more because it's so convenient. Also, my hair is almost dry and it's not, straight in length because I cut different braids, so the length is still a little layered. I had a talk with my sister about hair actually, and she kind of opened my mind to not be that, you know, restricted when it comes to hair, because I always pull my hair back and I still got split ends. So I'm just gonna roll with it and cut it when it's dead or when it doesn't look good. Also, I really have to give myself a pat on my shoulder because when I look at a video that I'm uploading right now, I looked so sick. I looked so sick, so pale, and my voice was really raspy. That's why I wasn't talking a lot in the video. My voice was totally raspy and sometimes it was gone completely. I was a lot sicker than I thought I was, and I'm so glad I'm doing better. I can say I'm almost 100% now. Yeah, I'm eating right. I'm not there with exercise yet, but other things like I have almost no headache anymore. I can smell, I can eat, I can do anything. Yeah. Most important, I can talk normal and I can breathe normal again. So I'm gonna build my stamina again. We're starting from scratch. We've been there before. When I had my ammonia, I I could hardly just walk up the stairs. Right now I'm better than that, but I still need a lot more stamina and I need to do exercises to build up my capacity to contain air in my lungs, because we're not 100% yet when it comes to breathing. That's what COVID does to us. Also, this smoothie is pretty good. It has greens in it. It has my electrolytes and other like healthy stuff. And I also have some, what kind of fruit did I put in here? Not bananas. I had some grapes. That's what I did. I had some grapes and I had some blueberries to make it a little sweet, and it's really sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna not sit here and wait. I'm going to bring my dishes to the kitchen, I still have some coffee. It's super cold, but this was good coffee, so I'm gonna drink it. What was I saying? Yes, I'm not gonna wait for the upload. I'm gonna bring my dishes to the kitchen, fix that, and start with a closet. Then I'll come back and check on this. And if it's uploaded right, I'm going to then upload it to YouTube. I still have to make a thumbnail. I've been slacking on my thumbnails. And this is the fun part of editing, because now that I'm making my thumbnail and stuff like that, I can actually watch Netflix. Well, not Netflix. I'm watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer and the Angel on Disney. I used to watch Buffy, Angel, and Charmed all together on, I think it was Friday night, and I get to watch it again. I'm really a big fan of shows like that. I mean, I know special effects are just horrible compared to what people can do now, but these were good shows. I really don't want them to do a do-over because usually they mess it up when they try to, you know, revamp series from the past. I just want to rewatch this and enjoy it as it was filmed. So yeah, no more procrastinating. I'm gonna do the thumbnail now. So I just came out of the prison. Of course, you're not allowed to bring anything with you, but this is where I'm home. I'm back home. It was so strange to be in that prison. It's a really big prison, and my sister was in her element. She really loved showing us around and everything. There were so many people there, and there were so many things. I really did not comprehend that a prison takes so much work, so much organization and everything. It's like a village in a building. There's a store, there's laundry, there's a hospital, there's everything is in there. Take a long shower to wash this day off of my body, and then I'm just going to watch television. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.